How to reset Messenger PIN code to sync chat history. This is a step-by-step video, so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to make sure that your Messenger application is up to date, because in order to follow along, you need to have one of the latest features of Messenger. So make sure to head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store depending on the device that you are using. Right after that, you now want to head over to the Messenger application, and once inside, you can then go ahead and click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Once inside, you then want to navigate through the gear icon, which will then take us to our account settings right here. From here, all you have to do is to click on the privacy and safety. You want to click on the end-to-end encryption chats, and you want to click on the message storage. From here, I'll just go ahead and turn this on as an example, because I don't actually have this turned on as of the moment, but in your case it will go ahead and look something like this. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on the reset pin. Go ahead and type out your pin right here. And as you can go ahead and see, we have managed to reset our pin on our secure storage right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.